Yeah, it's the ES. Brought a couple cats with me. Shit's about to get sticky. Yeah. I used to think drinking was a real disgrace. Now I drink till I can't feel my face. Drink till I can't feel the bass. Up in Magic Mike's truck till I'm like, what? With my eyes shut. See me in the S-Class with the fly slut, while I see your ass with the messenger bag, locking your bike up. I strike up a conversation with the heroin, then shoot myself in the foot like using heroin. Fucking with the three of us, you could never win. Cause that was back then, now I stack in. Date Asian chicks only to attract ends. Cause every white chick I date likes my black friends. When I'm 65, I might have a black Benz. Bald with the monocle, with the black lens. Buying mad art and taking part in whack trends. In a midlife crisis with cash to spend. Cash don't even wanna with my crew. Don't want this to escalate to something deadly, cause there's just no one fucking with these devastating MCs.
We devastating.
And since you don't seem to understand, you can ask your man. He can tell you all about the mics that we rip when we're living as these devastating MCs.
We devastating. I spark fights with the mic and leave the pop screen in shambles. Fuck your mother doggy style while I be gripping on the love handles. I use a sample and make it unrecognizable. My squad will fire you with the Mac 11 ignitable. Piss on the Bible while you pray to your God. I do a torn Shalimon, get infinite head nods. My insignia resembles that of rockets being launched. Record the sound of your head exploding and put it in a song. Dead you on the remix, making beats in the graveyard. We off the hook, the map, the meat rack, and the fucking radar. Stuck up hoes, how many times I gotta tell you right? I'd rather fuck a fat bitch with big titties and cellulite. Niggas is shook coming at me trying to act hard when I know you watch Star Trek and the Captain Picard leotard. Numb you quick, smash your head into a jukebox, which in effect will put you in the studio with Big and Pac. I'm no joke like Arsenio Hall, stand up in a title bout, I'd still knock you out even in handcuffs. This is the lingo for the next level niggas who put hand grenades and teddy bears and give them out at Christmas. With precise accuracy, destroy anatomies. I'm the nigga that gave that motherfucking apple to Adam and Eve. Y'all ain't ready for the return of the hard shit, esoteric apathy and self-titled with the rawness.
Cats don't even want it with my crew, don't want this to escalate to something deadly, cause there's just no one fucking with these devastating MCs.
We devastating.
And since you don't seem to understand, you can ask your man. He can tell you all about the mics that we rip when we're living as these devastating MCs.
Now that the gods are older, we roll with whole squads of soldiers and an entourage of broads to massage our shoulders. I only keep hoes to fold clothes and laundry, feed me and fan me with leaves from a palm tree. Sitting on a throne like I'm Caesar in Rome. They pump my joints in they whips till they speakers are blown. When I speak, better let it seep deep in your dome. I'm like God, turning blasphemous people to stone. Since the first chromosomes created in sea foam, I drag my human bones to a plush beach home. When a serpent tried to trick me into copping his fruit, I slipped the shit in Eve's drink and started knocking the boots. I'm like God, fuck Mother Earth, started breaking atoms. Sexually you're weak, your freaks faking orgasms. I'm electromagnetically charged and bolts of lightning explode through the tips of my big pens when I'm writing. The fire starter, my esophagus burns your phosphorus soft carcass and causes your sarcophagus to burst in flames. Slugs gotta reverse their range, cause when my verse is in range, the words hurt their brains. Expert convert the verses into virtual shots. You feel the force like paratroopers and vertical drops. The demigods like a firing squad with text shooting. 3 clips to remix this public execution.
Cats don't even want it with my crew, don't want this to escalate to something deadly, cause there's just no one fucking with these devastating MCs.
We devastating.
And since you don't seem to understand, you can ask your man. He can tell you all about the mics that we rip when we're living as these devastating MCs.
We devastating.